is going on over there? What is happening? What is that? The more I go over here, the louder it gets. What? What? It's something there. I don't know. That's weird. I can't even hear myself. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I was sitting in my room and I heard that outside my window and I was so confused. I have no idea what that is. It's so annoying. Oh, hey. Let's go inside. Let's